Hello people, it's Chef Kukli here. Welcome to my channel. I'm showing you today how I parboil rice when I'm making Nigerian one-pot rice dishes like jollof rice, fried rice, and coconut rice. Make sure you bring the water to a rolling boil before you put the rice in because you don't want it to stick or burn in the pot. Stir it, give it a good stir so it doesn't stick again, and then you can cover it and boil it for a while. You'll notice that I boil the rice for about 10 minutes, but for me, generally I take off my rice after about 3 to 5 minutes just because I prefer to not overcook it so that the rice can re-soak in the broth that I'm going to use to cook it. For example, when I'm making coconut rice, I boil it for a shorter period of time. But if you prefer, you can boil it for as long as 10 minutes, and you really know it's ready when it's firm to touch, it's tender, and you can break it almost with your finger easily. That's pretty much it. And then just make sure that you take it off the stove once it's ready and you pour cold water over it so that you can cool it down really fast. You really need to cool it down because if not, it's going to be cooking. The heat will cook it, and you don't want that to happen before you cook it with whatever else you're using it for. So that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to check the blog. I have a detailed blog post on the instructions and questions that you might have. I have answers there on that blog post as well on how to parboil rice for Nigerian style dishes. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like the video, and share it with friends and family. I'd love to see you here again. For now, it's bye from me. Take care.